Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork igado. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including about 1 pound of pork and half a pound of pork liver. Marinate the pork in a mixture of 1/4 cup of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and minced garlic for at least 30 minutes. While marinating, chop your bell peppers and onions. Next, heat a bit of oil in a large pan or pot over medium heat. Sauté the minced garlic and chopped onions until they are translucent and aromatic. Add the marinated pork to the pan, cooking until it is nicely browned on all sides. Then, incorporate the pork liver, stirring it in for just a couple of minutes to sear the outside. Now pour in the remaining marinade along with about 1/2 cup of water or broth. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer. Stir in your green peas and the sliced bell peppers, allowing them to cook until they are tender crisp. Continue to simmer the igado, stirring occasionally, until the pork is very tender and the sauce has reduced and thickened to your desired consistency. Finally, taste your pork igado and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. Serve this delicious dish hot, ideally alongside a generous portion of steamed white rice. It's a hearty and flavorful meal perfect for any occasion. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.